have a small 3D printer but I want to make 3 big 3D prints, I got the solution for you. It's welding. I hate it, but love the fumes. Oh wait, I mean, I hate the fumes, but I love it. So what you're gonna do before actually welding your 3D prints together is you're gonna take an 80 grit piece of sandpaper and use a power sander to go along all the edges that the 3D print is gonna combine at. So what this is gonna do is gonna make everything flush and very smooth so you don't have that much trouble when you're welding your parts together.
We need to go over some ground rules. First, we'll need to be wearing a respirator. We don't want to breathe all those toxic fumes when melting our plastic together. If you don't have access to one, please be in a well-ventilated area or be just outside. Also, we will be needing a wood burner as well, or a plastic welder, or if you're real fancy, a soldering iron will do. In my case, I'll be using my wood burning tool. First, we'll be trying to make our first point of contact weld to our 3D models. This is so we have a steady weld point to work with, so our 3D print doesn't move while trying to weld the rest together. Do these in the shape of an X, so you have more coverage with the plastic. Just be careful to use too much pressure when melting the plastic. You don't want to go through the printed part. Make sure to use some kind of tape or clamp system to hold your parts together. Trust me, this is the hardest part to do. So after making several points of contact so you can start actually welding the parts together, just remember not to put too much pressure. You want to make an easy line following along the seam line, doing a slight wave motion with your tool. This makes sure melted plastic goes down into the seams and actually joining the two pieces together. Repeat this process along the parts until they are all one.